So, hello, once again I'm back on my not so old and not so new Lenovo Legion 5 Pro AMD edition. Once again I'm streaming on a Kick service and recording locally, and today I'm going to continue showing you my basically extensions, settings of the extensions that I've been using with my GNOME 49. And of course all these extensions, I forgot to mention yesterday, they are fully compatible with GNOME 49. Of course for yesterday's video it wasn't so important because I was showing you still the system extensions, so of course they will be compatible with GNOME 49. But in any case, all the extensions that you will be seeing from me are fully compatible with GNOME 49. And maybe one of them you just need to do a very small tweaking in the JSON settings of the extension, but maybe I'm misremembering. I've so many Linux systems, and I've been reading and watching so many stuff, so maybe I misremember stuff. Anyway, let me show you the system's information, the system information. Let me zoom in a bit. Well, I can do this thing, no need to zoom. Let's go back here like this. I can zoom like this now. So yeah, PikaOS 4, Legion 5 Pro, GNOME 49 Wayland, AMD Ryzen 7 5800H, NVIDIA GeForce RTX 3070 Mobile or Max-Q if you prefer, and 1 terabyte of SSD storage and 60 gigabytes of RAM. So basically that's the system. And let me show you also from the system information of PikaOS itself. So I will go to the settings and on about, and then system details, and here we are once again from the horse's mouth. The Lenovo Legion 5 Pro, 16GB RAM, AMD processor, NVIDIA graphics, yada yada, PikaOS 4, GNOME 49, yada yada. Anyway, now that you have seen all the things, let me remind you how the system looks. Here is my main top bar. This is basically the start menu, so to speak, how the Windows people call it. And this is my dock. Usually when you are seeing this view, you can see this dock on the bottom of the screen if you have the default GNOME UI settings. And up here are the workspaces. I'm using 4 fixed workspaces. And yeah, and also the colors, maybe you have noticed already. I will open up a few windows here. Yeah, I had the terminal open. Okay, sorry, my bad. So yeah, these are the system settings. Let me open this window as well. Let me put it down here. And yeah, and besides these colors and all that regarding the theme and the icons and blah blah blah, I have also functionality changes related, and not just things that you can see clearly with just by looking at the screen. For example, I have a tiling system in place where I move this window, or with the shortcut keys, you can do the same thing that I will show you now. You can move up here, and then you can tile the window as you see fit. I will put it back in its place, of course. But yeah, all these things that you are seeing are mostly based on extensions. Anyway, I will hide the windows. The system is quite strong, is quite powerful, and it has plenty of resources for this operating system. So yeah, extensions. I don't have the icon here, so I have to open it from the menu, or I could open it from here, same thing, this one. Anyway, I will move the window from this side, because on the other side I have the camera and maybe it will block something. Yesterday it wasn't a problem, but today it may be. Anyway, yesterday we saw the system extensions. I will zoom in a bit. Yesterday I was showing you these system extensions. If this is the first time that you're watching the video, you can find yesterday's video on my YouTube channel. And basically, here is the thing. If you see this cogwheel here, basically it's the extension settings. This is the switch to turn the extension on or off. And this is extra information about the extension. Anyway, I will skip this and move on user installed extensions. Basically, these are the ones that I have downloaded and customized myself. And today I will go from the top and will not mix top, bottom, middle. I will just follow the order top to bottom. And I will start with Blur myself. This is a nice one in my opinion. You can do some cool tricks with it. Let me put it down here, and basically you manage various effects that you see in the system, and not only. For example, here I have set up this effect here. You can pause the screen. Let me zoom in again. You can pause the stream or the video if you will watch it on my YouTube channel, and copy my settings for this effect. And then I will go to this one that I'm using two effects for this one, and these are the settings of the effects. Okay, and this is the second effect and its settings. So yeah, after you will put the same values, more or less, the more you copy my values, the closer the end result will be to what I'm using. At least on PikaOS 4, because in other, maybe in some other GNOME Linux distributions, maybe you will have some differences here and there. And I'm talking always about the version of GNOME 49. Then on panel, these are my settings. Let me check something. I thought that I had this. Yeah, I thought something was off. I have forgotten to enable my desktop changing the wallpapers. Anyway, zooming back in, blur myself. Maybe I have it open still, or I closed it. Yeah, I closed it. Anyway, blur my cell again. Let's go to panel again. These are the settings, and now we'll move on to overview tab. You can copy these settings here as well. Dash. Some of them may be the default settings. I don't recall, to be honest. Just copy mine and you will be fine. Okay, I think that's good enough time. Let me go back to double check. Yeah, I think this is fine. Let me zoom out. Yeah, custom hot corners basically is something that I was trying to emulate on my other systems, XFCE based, like Endeavour OS on MacBook Air 2012, or like Void Linux on MacBook Pro 2012, or like MX Linux 25.1 on my Dell Alienware system. Basically it's expose on steroids. You can have hot corners and customize how you want them to act. For example, on the top left corner I have this overview of the system, showing the workspaces and the apps that I can launch. And then on the top right corner I have this expose and the workspaces again up here. And then bottom right corner, basically you have an application with multiple same windows. I will open another Vivaldi window, for example. If I will move my cursor to the bottom right corner, I can select between the same application windows. And then on the bottom left corner, it's basically this one I don't recall actually. Maybe I forgot to customize it. Sorry, my bad. No, it's a screenshot tool. Strange. For some, oh, here it is. I wasn't hitting the corner correctly. Anyway, it's the screenshot tool. You have seen this in my other systems as well. And this is it basically. How to customize it? I will do this time like this. Basically you can have the hot corner for each corner. Up here you see top left corner, top right corner, bottom left corner, bottom right corner, and then you select the corner that you wish to adjust to your how you prefer it to work. And you go here, for example, and select the thing you want to do on this corner when you move your mouse cursor there. And as you can see, for this corner I have the toggle overview upgrade. On the other corner I have toggle overview window picker. Here I have the activate screenshot tool, and here I have toggle overview current app windows. I think the rest of these settings are the default ones. Keyboard shortcuts active 0 as it says in my case. I don't think I have customized these on this system. Yeah, these are some other settings that you may want to copy. I will leave this window to be able to see everything at once. And this is it. Extensions list. It's another cool extension, at least for me, in my opinion. Basically, it's this button up here. You can see all the extensions up here. You can enable, disable right away an extension that you don't want or don't care, or maybe it's buggy or something. On the cogwheel here you can open the settings for this extension, and down here it's some extra functionality like opening, for example, the extensions window. Anyway, if you're using multiple extensions like myself, it's a good thing to have up on your top menu bar and access the things right away. A cool one in my case. And this is hide top bar. It's this top bar up here. I have it, as you have already, I'm sure you understood this already. When I move my mouse away, it hits itself, and when I move the cursor up there, it reappears. And this one, it has some extra cool settings. I will do this thing again. I will zoom in a bit. So you can copy these options here. You can customize the system, this extension quite well. Personally, I'm not a fan of IntelliHide as it says, so I have disabled these things. I'm pretty sure one of the two or maybe both they were active, but yeah. So this is it. and for some reason my wallpapers are not moving. This is very strange. Very strange. This is the first time that it happened. Yeah, I will leave this one and see if it will keep going on. Very strange. Anyway, then impatience, it's a very simple one. Basically you can remove the animations, the speed of the animations. So if you put it here, basically you remove them. I don't like animations more often than not, so this is why I have it. I have them removed. Well, not all of them, but most of them, because a few things still apply animations. Maybe they are hard-coded or something. And this one, rounded window corners, basically maybe you have noticed all of my windows have rounded corners. Is something that I like. I don't prefer rounded corners to be too much rounded or none at all. I like something in between, and this is what I have customized my corners, my window corners. You can see on this app all four corners are rounded, and for me it's a good round up, and here are the settings. Through this extension I have this border around the windows too. Other extensions can offer this thing as well, but since I use this trick for the rounded corners, I've done border to the windows as well with this extension. And then you can blacklist if you want, or customize this trick even further. And yeah, basically these are my settings. Copy them if you like them. And I think I will stop for now, and it seems that my wallpaper started moving again. Thank you. And yeah, and I will show you again. For example, if I wanted to change this arc menu from here, I can click the cogwheel, and here are the settings for the arc settings. If I want to disable it, I just click on here and it will disable the menu. Arc menu is basically this menu here. I will not disable it, but this is how it works. And here you can open up yeah. Anyway, I think this is it for tonight. I don't want to drag this any longer. Besides, I will be showing you as I promised 3 videos on this one, and maybe on the meantime you will already have installed the rest of the extensions, and you maybe have already customized your system, but it doesn't matter. I will have another video to go, and then maybe the video after tomorrow, it will be the one that I will give you the detailed guide of all of my system settings and everything, like I did with EndeavourOS and Void Linux, and of course with MX Linux as well. I think this is it for tonight. Thank you for watching, and see you the next one. Bye!